supplementary questions, Remington Kamal Moment, please.
Thank you, Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak regarding our problem, sir. Langdong Dai sub-center is a must, sir, because Langdong Dai is very far from Ringdo CSC. It was around 40 kilometers, and it was from Malangkona also around 30 kilometers. They are living in the interior place of the area, and they have many medical facilities. So, if proposal had been setting up, I urge Honorable Minister kindly create this Langdong Dai sub-center so that the people of our area will get medical facilities and other facilities. So I urge the government of the day to create a sub-center in Langdong Dai village. And there will be actually last year I've been there. Many medical officers from Ringdo area had inspected our Simanaguri Malangkona sub-center, but proposal that they received, I don't know what is happening. But if there is plan and intention to upgrade from sub-center to PHC, I urge the government of the day to include in the list so that the people of area get many medical facilities of the area. Apart from this, I would like to request, sir, in our Rambrai-Jyrngam constituency, we have 3 PHC centers, Rambrai, Nonglang, and then Aradungas PHC. If possible, sir, if you have plan and intention to upgrade from PHC to CSC, so these 3 PHC is to be upgraded to CSC, sir. These are my request, if possible, sir, to include all these things in different categories, sir.
Okay. There is no question actually, it's a suggestion, so Minister may reply. Yes.
The matter has been noted.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
We are also setting up new health sub-center at Langdong Dai. It is under process, sir, and under examination as per norms. And other suggestions made by the Honourable Member have been duly noted, sir.